Leaks in your HVACR system. Not a good thing. They can cost you money and cause big problems. Refrigerant is what keeps your system running smoothly. When it leaks, your system has to work harder. A hard-working system means higher energy bills for you. Plus, refrigerant leaks are bad for the environment. We need to do our part to protect our planet. Fixing leaks helps keep the air clean for everyone. Think of it like a car. You wouldn't drive around with a flat tire, would you? A refrigerant leak is like a slow leak in your tire. It might seem small, but it can lead to bigger problems down the road. So let's roll up our sleeves and learn how to keep those systems running smoothly and efficiently. A little maintenance goes a long way. How do you know if your HVACR system has a refrigerant leak? There are a few telltale signs to look out for. First, if your system isn't cooling or heating as well as it used to, that's a red flag. Another sign is hissing or bubbling sounds coming from your unit. These sounds indicate that refrigerant is escaping. You might even notice a strange, oily residue near the leak. If you suspect a leak, don't ignore it. The longer you wait, the worse the problem can get. It's best to call a qualified HVACR technician to diagnose and fix the issue. Remember, safety first. Refrigerants can be dangerous, so leave the repairs to the professionals. Finding a refrigerant leak is like playing detective. HVACR technicians use special tools to track down those elusive leaks. One common method is using an electronic leak detector. This handy device sniffs out refrigerant in the air, beeping louder as it gets closer to the source. Another method is using ultraviolet dye. The technician injects a special dye into the system which glows under a UV light, revealing the leak's location. Once the leak is found, the technician can mark the spot and prepare for repairs. It's important to find all leaks, as even small ones can cause problems over time. Remember, attempting to find and repair leaks yourself can be dangerous. Always rely on a qualified HVACR professional for safe and effective repairs. Repairing a refrigerant leak is best left to the pros, but it's good to understand the process. First, the technician will safely recover any remaining refrigerant from the system. Next, they'll repair or replace the leaking component, whether it's a pipe, valve, or seal. Once the repair is complete, they'll evacuate the system to remove any air or moisture. Finally, they'll recharge the system with the correct type and amount of refrigerant. The system will be tested to ensure it's working correctly and that no leaks remain. By following these steps, HVACR technicians can seal up those leaks, keeping your system running smoothly and efficiently for years to come.